Jamaica will have its largest ever contingent in the history of the Commonwealth Games when the 21st staging of the event takes place in Australia from April 4 to 15. The announcement of Jamaica's team was done on Tuesday at the Jamaica Olympic Association headquarters. Spencer Darlington was there.
115 athletes will represent Jamaica in 15 disciplines at next month's Commonwealth Games in Australia's Gold Coast. Not surprisingly, track and field has the largest team with a squad of 54, 30 males and 24 females being named. However, reigning Olympic and World Championship sprint hurdles champion Omar McLeod is missing from the squad. Calabar's outstanding sprint hurdling prodigy Dejour Russell is the only high school athlete that has made the overall track and field team. The men's list also includes former world 100 meters champion Johan Blake, national 400 meters record holder Rasheen MacDonald, defending 200 meters champion Rashid Dwar, Warren Ware, Demish Gay, Hansel Parchment, Jahil Hyde, Frederick Dakers, and defending shot put champion O'Dane Richards. Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson headlines the female team, which also includes Sharika Jackson, Genevieve Russell, Ristanana Tracy, defending 400 meters champion Stephanie McPherson, Sharon Simpson, and 2015 World 100 meters hurdles champion Danielle Williams. J3A's General Secretary Garth Gale explained the criteria used to select the track and field team.
First and foremost, the last official competition would be the basis. Then also the current performance or performances of each athlete. And then also, which should be really even the first, the athlete making themselves available for representation.
In the meantime, two-time World Junior 400 meters hurdles champion Jahil Hyde is not perturbed about the timing of the games, which is outside the normal date for global championships for senior athletes.
I mean, Jamaican athletes wouldn't have a problem with this if you competed at Champs, because Champs is around the same time. You have Caribbean Games around the same time. So, we're kind of used to the way of peaking twice. So especially for me, who was fresh out of high school, so I still kind of have some muscle memory for it. And I'm even happy that it's coming around this time.
Jamaica will also be represented in aquatics, badminton, boxing, cycling, gymnastics, shooting, squash, table tennis, and triathlon, while there will be first-time representation in lawn bowl and wrestling, whose lone competitor will be Kevin Wallen.
I started wrestling when I was 15 years old. And it's always been my dream to represent Jamaica on the main stage. But not only that, it's such a joy to be a part of bringing the sport of wrestling to Jamaica. I know what it will do for our young people, and I'm just excited about that.
Meanwhile, Jamaica Olympic Association President Christopher Samuda underlined the importance of the Commonwealth Games to Jamaica.
One, we have, for the first time, so many disciplines being represented. Secondly, the spread, I think, is very admirable. We have lawn bowls for the first time. We have rugby for the first time. So it demonstrates to us as a nation that we can achieve in other sporting disciplines other than the traditional ones, which have brought us tremendous glory in the past.
Jamaican athletes will start departing the island on March 25. Jamaica landed its joint highest medal haul of 22, comprising 10 gold, 4 silver and 8 bronze at the last Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Scotland in 2014. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.